Pnfs signposts. Welcome to the Pnfs signpost video of March 2023. The Peak Northern Footpaths Society has a long history in the provision and maintenance of signposts, bridges, etc., starting in 1896, just before Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. Signposts are probably the Society's most durable items, as the oldest cast iron plates date from 1905. Since World War II, they've been made of aluminium, which is much lighter to handle but corrodes more easily than cast iron. We began erecting wooden signposts in 1896 to 1997 as part of our agreement with the then Duke of Devonshire, who had illegally blocked the old drovers track from Hayfield to the Snake Inn. This outrage led in 1894 to the foundation in Manchester of the Peak and Northern Counties Footpath Preservation Society. One founder member was Richard Pankhurst, a high-powered and effective socialist barrister who also campaigned for women's emancipation. In 1968, the name of the society was shortened to Peak and Northern Footpaths Society, now commonly referred to as Pnfs. About 20 of our best iron signs from the early 1900s have survived. They give lasting testimony both to the durability of cast iron and the design skills of young Rowland Mower of New Mills. Rowland was the 20-year-old son of another founder member, Thomas Mower, who was our first footpath inspector and in his day job helped to manage the Hayfield Union Workhouse at Ollerset. We hope that the current total of 570 signs, 2 viewpoint indicators and 47 bridges will continue to help walkers and other users of our public rights of way for many years to come. I began my stint as signpost officer in 2007 when we erected signpost 34 near Parwich in the White Peak. In the 15 or so years since then, we've added a further 320. We've extended their coverage from the Peak District and Pennines into new areas, and they can now be found across a wide area, bounded to the north by Morecambe Bay and the Forest of Bowland, through Pendle and the Ribble Valley, then east to Bradford, Wakefield, Doncaster, Rotherham, Ashover and Claycross, even to the Notts Derby border near Worksop and east of Hardwick Hall. Then south to the Weaver Hills, Dimmingsdale, Ipstones, Oncut and Stafford, all in Staffordshire, and then west to the Sandstone Way in West Cheshire and the far end of the Wirral at Thurston and West Kirby. Some have gone missing over the years, especially in 1940 when county surveyors took them all down to foil the expected German invasion. Most were reinstated starting in 1943 when the danger of invasion had receded after the bloody battles of El Alamein and Stalingrad, with the defeat of the Afrika Korps and the slaughter of the German 6th Army. Nevertheless, there are currently 570 extant, and they are maintained by a small overstretched team of cleaners, bramble cutters, painters, touchers up and reposters who are aided by reports coming in from other members. Photos and details of all our signs can be seen on the Signposts and Bridges gallery of the website. If you would like to see them or know more about them or about other aspects of Pnfs, please visit our website at pnfs.org.uk or, if you prefer, peaknorthern.org.uk. Thank you for watching.